Good morning. It's time for breakfast. Good morning. It's breakfast time again. We're going to have some breakfast muffins. I'm going to get the eggs started cooking. Once I get that done and prime the meat, we'll go ahead and go through it, and we're going to see how this turns out. Hello. I'm back. I'm cooking the eggs right now. So you rotate them. You want them to brown because you're going to have to be able to break them up. And while that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and prepare the muffin pan. Just use a standard pan so it doesn't stick. Because you're going to be baking these, just make sure you cook the eggs till they're no longer runny. Now, it could be slightly runny because you still got to bake them. This is probably going to be good enough for what we need. Now, you take whatever your favorite meat is. Green peppers, onions, ham, bacon, whatever you want to put in it. We're going to pour some dough in here, and then we're going to put the meat in and then pour the dough back over it. Oh yeah, I know what you're thinking. Hold on. Just a regular large spoon is good for it. Just want to fill them up. Right now we're just going to do 6. Now, first, I'm going to always start with the eggs first. Put as much in as you want, but remember, there's only so much room in here. Unless you have a much deeper dish pan, just put little eggs in there. Don't worry about the eggs being a little runny. Of course, when this gets to bacon or whatever's not finished cooking, will end up getting cooked. Okay. I got some turkey bacon sliced up. Put a couple of slices of that in there. Remember, you gotta make room for anything else you want to put in here. And of course, you know me, I'm quite greedy, so I'm gonna put some other good stuff in here. I'm going to put a little bit of ham. Green peppers. A little green pepper in there. So I can, like I done something healthy. And of course, you cannot do nothing without at least a little bit of onions. Now, we got to top it off. Make sure you cover up everything. This might swell up a little bit out of the cup, but don't worry about it. Make sure everything's completely covered. And busy family, this is a great alternative to prepping and getting stuff done. As you get up, you don't have to make it. You can actually make this a day before. Okay. Now the fun part. We're going to put this in the oven, let it cook for 350 degrees for about 10-15 minutes. I'll get right back with you. Oh yeah. It's time to find out what these taste like. Oops. Now I should have put a little bit more non-stick in it, or maybe some grease. Now you can make this browner by leaving it in the oven for maybe another 10 minutes. But this is fully cooked. Look at that steam that's coming off that thing. I'm about to figure out how good this is, or how well it came out. That's not bad at all. I used pancake mix as the foundation for this. Let me see what this tastes like with a little syrup on it. Curiosity got the best of me. Oh. Yep. This tastes like an omelet wrapped in pancakes with the syrup on top. It almost, you know, it tastes almost like what I called it, a stuffed muffin. The syrup makes it, because I use pancake mix, make it taste like a pancake. I think I outdid myself again. This is definitely delicious. There's no question about it. The only thing I think I should have did was use some more oil in it so it didn't stick as much. But besides that, and of course, if you want to cook it a little bit longer to get a darker crust, you know how pancakes are. Oh my God. Look at all that goodness. The eggs and the pancake mix in there. With the, got the ham and all that good stuff in it. Stuffed muffin using pancake mix. Who thought that was possible? Until next time, family. Enjoy. Give you an idea, this is how the muffin actually came out. That one must have been a fluke. The rest of them came out perfectly. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that crust on it. I'm about to put this in the air fryer, darken up the top of it. We're gonna make this look real good. Just to let you know what they look like toasted. It's still soft, nice and brown on the top end.